Welcome to Vidyarambha Academy. Forms of pronouns. Our topic is forms of pronouns. Here we see 5 columns. First column tells us the pronoun is used as a subject. Here the case of object. Here it is a possessive case. In this possessive case, there are two categories. One with the thing and another without thing. So it is a pronoun form. Then reflexive form attached with self or selves. Now let us see. I, to me, my hands, mine, myself. And similarly, the old form of you, that is singular you, thou, thou to thee, thy hands, thine, and thyself. Now there is some rhyme in these two rows. I to me, thou to thee, I, my hands, thou, thy hands, I, mine, thou, thine, I, myself, thou, thyself. So to keep in mind, this is useful. This word comes in generally poems or old literature. So we should at least know it. Now next is we. Plural, first person, plural. We. To us. Our hands. Ours. Ourselves. Then comes second person, you. Singular or plural, both. Singular or plural, both. Now, you, to you, your hands, yours, yourself if it is singular, yourselves if it is a plural. Now, he. Masculine gender. He to him. May be with respect, like father, teacher. I should say he to him in English, because there is no difference of respect in English language. Our regional languages have this type of difference. We never say singularly. We give special respect by using plural. But here it is not like that in English. Remember, he to him, may be younger, may be older, for respect, whatever. So he to him, his hands, his and himself. Now feminine, she, may be single, younger or elder, doesn't matter. So she to her, her hands, hers, herself. Then comes it. It means not a masculine gender, not a feminine gender, and it is neuter, like a tree, like a chair, like a table. So it is it, to it, its hands. Here the word is gap, because there is no word in English for this type of use. Then comes itself. Plural of third person. Plural of third person means he, she, it. Plural for he, she, it, and that is they. Here we have to concentrate. Maybe 5 boys, they. Maybe 4 girls, they. Maybe 4 trees, they. So this type of pronoun used for these all things if it is plural. They to them, their hands, theirs, themselves. This way all pronouns and their forms we saw. Now the note tells that in old language, thou was used in place of singular you, and is taken just to address or to call God, the Almighty. So, this is something to understand about the forms of pronouns. You saw this video, so I thank you very much.